every single time. You believe in Utah.
It seems like when I'm watching the Utah Jazz, no chemistry, they don't like each other.
The Utah Jazz's rise to prominence in the NBA is a testament to the organization's commitment to excellence and its ability to capitalize on opportunities both on and off the court. As they continue to redefine what it means to rebuild a team, it's worth delving deeper into the key components of their success and the factors that they have contributed to their remarkable journey. The Utah Jazz's success in strategic player acquisitions underscores their ability to identify undervalued talent and capitalize on opportunities in the market, rather than relying solely on high-profile signings or blockbuster trades. The Jazz have demonstrated a knack for finding diamonds in the rough and maximizing the value of their assets. One of the most notable examples of the Jazz's savvy player acquisitions is their trade for Donovan Mitchell on draft day. Selected with the 13th overall pick in the 2017 NBA draft by the Denver Nuggets, Mitchell was immediately traded to the Jazz in exchange for Trey Lyles and the rights to Tyler Lydon. While Mitchell was considered a top prospect leading up to the draft, the Jazz saw potential in his athleticism, scoring ability, and work ethic. Their decision to trade off Mitchell has since paid off handsomely, as he has blossomed into a two-time NBA All-Star and one of the league's most dynamic scorers. Similarly, the Jazz's acquisition of John Collins in a trade with the Atlanta Hawks exemplifies their ability to identify talent that may be undervalued by other teams. Collins, a former first-round pick, had shown flashes of potential during his time in Atlanta, but found himself on the trading block due to contractual concerns and fit within the team system. The Jazz pounced on the opportunity to acquire Collins, sending out minimal assets in return. Since joining the Jazz, Collins has thrived in his role, providing scoring, rebounding, and rim protection alongside Rudy Gobert in the front court. In addition to their trades, the Jazz have also excelled in signing players who may have been overlooked by other teams. Whether it's through targeted free agent signings or signing players to team-friendly contracts, the Jazz have consistently found value in the market. This strategic approach to players' acquisitions has allowed the Jazz to build a competitive roster without sacrificing long-term flexibility or future assets. As a result, the Jazz have emerged as a model franchise in the NBA, showcasing the power of smart decision-making and a keen eye for talent. The Utah Jazz's emphasis on player development has been instrumental in their rise to prominence in the NBA. From grooming young prospects to maximizing the potential of established players, the Jazz have cultivated a culture of growth and improvement that has set them apart from their competitors. At the heart of the Jazz's players development program is a commitment to individualized training and mentorship. From the moment a player joins the organization, they are provided with personalized coaching and support designed to help them reach their full potential. Whether it's refining their skills on the court, improving their condition and athleticism, or developing their basketball IQ, players receive the guidance and resources they need to succeed. One of the hallmarks of Jazz's player development strategy is their focus on holistic development. In addition to honing their basketball skills, players are encouraged to develop strong character, work ethic, and leadership qualities. Their emphasis on personal growth not only enhances their performance on the court, but also prepares them for success in life beyond basketball. The Jazz also prioritizes creating a supportive and nurturing environment where players feel empowered to take risks and make mistakes. Coaches and teammates provide constructive feedback and encouragement, fostering a culture of continuous improvement and resilience. This supportive atmosphere allows players to thrive and reach new heights in their development. Another key aspect of the Jazz's players development program is their integration of technology and analytics. By leveraging data and advanced training methods, the Jazz can identify areas for improvement and tailor individualized development plans for each player. Whether it's analyzing shooting mechanics, studying game film, or tracking performance metrics, players have access to cutting-edge tools and resources to enhance their development. Utah Jazz's emphasis on player development has been a driving force behind their success on the court. By investing in growth and development of their players, the Jazz have built a sustainable foundation for long-term success, ensuring that they remain competitive in the NBA landscape for years to come. The Utah Jazz's depth and versatility have been components of their success, allowing them to navigate the rigors of the NBA season with resilience and adaptability. With a deep bench and a roster filled with players capable of contributing in multiple roles, the Jazz have been able to weather injuries, matchups, and adversity with poise and confidence. One of the defining characteristics of the Jazz's depth is the quality and consistency of their bench players. From seasoned veterans to up-and-coming prospects, the Jazz have assembled a bench unit that can hold its own against any opponent. Whether it's providing a spark off the bench, playing lockdown defense, or knocking down clutch shots, the Jazz's bench players have been instrumental in maintaining the team's momentum and energy throughout the games. In addition to their bench depth, the Jazz boast a roster filled with players who possess a wide range of skills and abilities. This versatility allows the Jazz to adapt their playing style to different opponents and game situations, ensuring that they always have a lineup on the floor that can compete at a high level. With players capable of playing multiple positions and filling different roles, the Jazz can mix and match lineups to exploit mismatches and maximize their strengths. This strategic flexibility not only keeps opponents guessing, but also allows the Jazz to maintain a high level of play, regardless of who is on the court. The Utah Jazz's depth and versatility are invaluable assets that set them apart from their competitors in the NBA. With a deep bench, a roster filled with versatile players, and strategic flexibility, the Jazz have built a team that is capable of competing with the best teams in the league or any given night. As they continue their quest for championship glory, the Jazz's depth and versatility will undoubtedly be key factors in their success. The Utah Jazz's long-term vision and the cornerstone of their sustained success in the NBA, guiding their decisions and strategies as they strive for excellence both on and off the court. At the heart of this vision is a commitment to building a championship caliber team that can compete the highest level year after year, while also fostering a strong organizational culture and making a positive impact in the community. Central to the Jazz's long-term vision is a focus on sustainable growth and development. Rather than chasing short-term success at the expense of their future, the Jazz prioritized building a team through strategic player acquisitions, player development, and organizational stability. By making smart investments in talent and infrastructure, the Jazz have positioned themselves as perennial contenders in the NBA landscape with a foundation that is built to last. The Jazz seeks to uplift and empower those in need, fostering a sense of belonging and unity both locally and globally. This commitment to social responsibility not only aligns with the values of the organization, but also strengthens its connection to fans and stakeholders. Overall, the Utah Jazz's long-term vision is a testament to their ambition, resilience, and unwavering commitment to excellence. By staying true to their core values and strategic objectives, the Jazz have established themselves as a model franchise in the NBA, setting a standard of success that others aspire to emulate. As they continue their journey towards championship glory, the Jazz's long-term vision will continue to guide their path forward, ensuring that they remain a force to be reckoned within the NBA for years to come. In conclusion, the Utah Jazz's ascent to the top of the NBA standings is a testament to their innovative approach to team building, their unwavering commitment to excellence, and their steadfast belief in the power of culture and vision. If you found this video helpful, remember to give it it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Your opinions matter. Let us know your thoughts on the topic discussed through our comment section.